Hey y'all, if you want to know how I got my hair from this blonde sis 13 to this beautiful brown ombre color, make sure you stay tuned to this video. You don't want to miss out. Hey, what's up y'all? So I'm here with another video, and this is an Amazon wig. I want to show y'all fresh out the package. They sent me this sis 13 blonde unit, 30 inches. This is how she looks in body wave. She is very long, so that's very exciting. I'm going to show y'all how the lace looks. It's a 13 by 4. So this is her. And I'm going to be coloring her because I do not wear blonde. But I'm going to give her a nice pretty brown color, and we're going to see how this turns out. So, and I'll post a link to this hair in my bio. Like y'all see, super full, super nice. So let's go. So the first thing that you want to do is spritz your lace because you don't want that color to get in your lace. So we're going to spray it all on. Now while that's drying, we're going to go ahead and fill our pot up with water. I'm going to use hot water, mahogany, and dark brown. So I'm going to put the dark brown in first and then the mahogany in the pot. So y'all can see the color. All right, y'all. So this is the blonde wig. This is how the color came out. It's a lot going on, but it's pretty. The unit is long and it's thick. So we're gonna go ahead and install this unit. Go ahead and tint that with our Ebin lace tint. I'm just gonna spray it. Thinking about leaving it straight just because I don't have a long straight unit because I'm always cutting layers into my hair, which is crazy. Don't make no dang sense. So I think I'm gonna leave this one as is. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my lace spray. And if you don't know about this, this is the Kiss Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. I also use glue, but I use this spray first, okay? And then I'll put my glue on. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll pluck once I put the unit on to see how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my glue. Not too much, like I said, because I sprayed the spray. Take my stick and flatten this out. It's me with the color because I never. So I'm gonna spread this out and then we're gonna let this dry. Okay. And once it's dry, we'll come on and put this wig on. Plenty of cap size, y'all. Plenty. Okay, so got that down. All right, so make sure that's stuck all the way around. Then we're just gonna take this, put it on top, flat ironing the hair. Y'all can see like this hair is very nice. I haven't put anything on it, no products. I'm just going through with my flat iron. Press down middle part.